Building a business in the UK requires relentless focus, but that focus is constantly pulled away by an invisible, creeping weight: administrative friction. The list of obligations never stops growing. Varying HRMC deadlines to track, annual confirmation statements to file, monthly payroll to process, and quarterly VAT returns to calculate. This diagram shows how making tax digital, or MTD, reshapes your calendar. What used to be a single annual assessment now fractures into 4 mandatory quarterly updates. The reporting frequency quadruples. Missing these digital deadlines carries immediate financial consequences. If your bookkeeping is reactive, meaning you organize receipts right before a deadline, you run the risk of accumulating automatic HRMC penalty points and escalating fines. Attempting to navigate modern financial compliance manually actively drains your capital and pulls your attention away from growing your company. The standard approach to this problem is highly fragmented. Founders juggle a separate bookkeeper, a disjointed tax advisor, standalone payroll software, and a disconnected registered address provider. Britvex replaces that fragmentation with a unified architecture. It brings all of your compliance, tax, and advisory obligations under one roof, managed entirely by an ACCA-qualified team. Instead of routing your questions through automated call centers, Britvex assigns one dedicated accountant to oversee your entire financial timeline. You get direct accountability from someone who actually knows your business. This accountancy pillar operates in real time. Your dedicated accountant handles the monthly bookkeeping, bank reconciliations, and ensures day-one software integration, so your business is automatically MTD compliant without any friction on your end. By pulling these separate services into a single ecosystem, the blind spots where critical deadlines are missed and financial data is lost disappear. Avoiding penalties is only the baseline. Most businesses leave thousands of pounds on the table every year simply because no one looks for tax reliefs until the financial year has already ended. Britvex applies a proactive tax methodology. Instead of a once-a-year review, your accountant continuously scans your corporation tax, VAT, and personal self-assessment position throughout the entire fiscal year to identify savings opportunities. This chart illustrates a typical corporate tax liability. Standard accounting often misses high-value claims, like R&D tax credits. When your accountant applies these enhanced deductions and capital allowances, those blocks are subtracted from the total liability, mathematically lowering your tax position to recover capital. Treating tax as a year-round strategy rather than an annual administrative chore directly increases your operational working capital. The foundation of your business structure also requires precision. Whether you are launching a new startup or restructuring an existing entity, you need proper share structuring and compliant same-day incorporation with Companies House. Many founders initially use their residential home address to register their company. This places personal details on a permanent public register, creating privacy risks and lacking professional credibility. The Britvex virtual office provides a prestigious London EC2 registered address. This keeps your home off the public record and is fully accepted by HMRC, Companies House, and all major UK banks. All statutory and business correspondence sent to that address is received, scanned, and emailed to you on the same day through a secure client portal. A compliant corporate formation paired with a premium registered address builds instant institutional credibility while legally shielding your personal privacy. The final piece of this unified solution is financial predictability. Every service operates on a transparent, fixed monthly fee, eliminating the risk of a shock invoice at the end of the year. This solution comes with specific service guarantees. A strict 2-hour response time ensures you are never left waiting for critical financial advice when making fast business decisions. If you already have an accountant, the switching process is frictionless. Britvex contacts your current provider, collects all historical records, and handles the complete software setup in the background. By offloading the entire burden of compliance to a trusted partner, you regain the time and clarity needed to focus on growth. Visit Britvex.com today to book your free, no-obligation consultation.